Hello everyone, welcome to Gallery Teachers. I'm Gabriel and my workshop is about how you can use simple images in your classroom to give your students more aha moments. During the workshop, we're going to take a look at some basic memory techniques and take a journey through some of the interesting and sometimes slightly mad world of 1970s psychological experiments. And we'll come out of all of that with a valuable technique to learn new vocabulary more effectively. We're also going to take a more general look at using images in the classroom and how we can exploit images to have more impact on our students' engagement and their learning. Now, the good news is that you don't need to be an amazing drawer for this workshop. In fact, it kind of helps if you're not very good, because one of the keys of valuable images is simplicity, drawings that anyone can do. So I'm looking forward to seeing you at the workshop. It's called Exploiting Images in the Classroom, Dual Cognition, the Power of the Mind, and a Duck with a Pot on its Head. Where you can learn how to empower your students with the techniques and strategies to learn more efficiently and for you to provide more aha moments in your classroom. I hope to see you there.